Hey guys, Meller from Southsideboystyle. You know, believe it or not, I get a few questions asking me, how do you replace an ID light bulb in your Dodge Caravan? And, you know, just because I'm used to it, to me, I know, and it's pretty simple, but I understand that to a lot of people that don't know a lot about vehicles and mechanics, that yeah, I could see where it will be a challenge, I guess, in a kind of a way, for people to know actually how to replace an ID light bulb. And I'm going to show you guys now, okay? So all you need is a little screwdriver, this style, and all you have to do is just get up in here, push in on the little tab, and pry down. Sometimes it's a little bit, well, it's been in there for years, so kind of stuck, but usually with a little bit of manipulation you can get it out. See, there you go, and that's it. And then you just pull out, and that's really dirty, and oh, there's a lot of dirt there. I gotta clean that up. And that's how you take out the bulb, or pull the glens out from the inside. Then you just twist right here like this, and there you have it. That's how you change your bulb. Then when you replace your bulb, which I have to, this one is blown, all you have to do is put it back in, twist it so it locks into place, push the wires up in, put the tag end in first like that, and just click it back up in, which all I got to do now is push up and it's in. But I'm not going to do that because I actually have to replace this bulb. And guys, that's basically all that's to it. And I have to clean all this up now. For some reason mine is really dirty. Maybe that's why it blown in the first place. But that's it, guys. That's how you replace an ID light bulb in your Dodge Caravan. I'm going to say from my experience, from the 2012 up to probably 2018, 2019 Dodge Caravan, that's probably the same, right? You guys let me know in the comments if it's a little bit different, but I think they're all the same. They just had this little tab right here that you push in on, you see? And you do that with a little screwdriver. That's all to it. All right, guys, thanks a lot. See you on the next one.